you think AI image generation is just for designers, think again. Today, I'm revealing 10 powerful free AI image generation tools that can take your creativity to the next level. Whether you're making content for social media, designing art, or just having fun exploring AI. And the best part, they are completely free to use. Let's dive in. I'm super excited to share with you these 10 powerful, mind-blowing AI image generation tools. Let's get started with number 1. The first one we are going to look at is called Leonardo AI. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser. When you go to your browser, you type Leonardo AI. Alright, Leonardo, as you can see, Leonardo AI, and you select search. So this is it. You select this first one. Alright, this is how the interface of Leonardo AI looks like. Remember, you have to sign up before using this site. Alright, so I have to select get started. Interface, so you will see option like this. Let's go and then about just select cancel. This is not what we are here to do. So as you can see, you see incredible images a lot of people created, and it is beautiful. It looks so stunning and eye-catching. Can you see that? Can you see realistic images that a lot of people created? Can you see that? Even pizza style images. All right, so now this is not what we are here to do, but we just want to appreciate the artwork that people created. All right, so now this is the option that we are going to this is the option we are going to use. So they give out 150 credits each. They give out 150 credits, all right, each day. So let's select image. Let's select image. All right, so when you select image, you will see this. Let me zoom in so that you see what I want to show you. So this is it. When you select image, this is it. You'll see some models. So this is where you choose any model of your choice. You have Lucid, you have Lucid Realism, we have image GPT, that's ChatGPT, we have Lost Content, we have Lost Search Nail, Fionis, Anim, Cinematic, Illustrative, Albedo, we have Leonardo Lightning, we have Lifelike Vision, Portrait. So you have to select anyone you want. All right, anyone that you want, you can select it. Now let's go back. All right, so the next thing to do now is to let's click on image again. You select image. Then after selecting image, these are most of the things I did with this amazing tool. It looks so beautiful. This is the pizza. Now we are going to change our aspect ratio. Cannot just use this like this. So if you just scroll like this by the left hand side, you will see where a lot of features are. So this is set as 16:9. If you're not working with 16:9, you can set your aspect ratio here. All right, so that is it. So these are the advanced settings. All right, these are the advanced settings. Okay, so if you want your images to be consistent, you select use feed seed. So now let's go back again. So let's explore this side. Since our image is in 16:9, so this is the previous prompt I dropped here, previous work I did. So I have to copy, select all, and paste my new prompt. Okay, so let's select generate. This particular model I'm using consumes 24 credit. All right, it consumes 24. Some consumes 50 credits, some consumes more than that. Depends on the model that you choose. So you have to choose the model that you prefer. All right, so our image is generating. Let's wait for a while and check it out. It won't waste much of the time. Okay, now our image are ready. So this is the image I created. Can you see that? This is the image I created. It looks so realistic and beautiful. Can you see that? So all you have to do is just to tap on the image and select download. As you can see, it's downloaded. So tap on this one and select download. This is how to use Leonardo AI. Please make sure you sign up. If you don't sign up, you can't be able to access this. So let's go back and now let's explore another tool called Ideogram. Okay, so call it Ideogram. So let's type in Ideogram. So this is it. If you haven't used it for the first time, you have to sign up before using it. All right, it's one of the beautiful sites you can use to generate a lot of things. This is where I generated most of my artwork. All right, so let's select this plus sign and select generate. Okay, so we're pressing our prompts here. I've already copied the prompt I want to use. We're pressing prompts here. Okay, so This is the style you want. Either it's random, general, realistic, design, or thereabouts. Okay, so this is the model. You can choose any model of your choice. We have 3.0 latest, we have 3.0 March 26, more contrast and detail. We have 2.0 for realism and design. We have 2A, fastest creation time. We have great for creative art. So you have to choose the one you want. All right, the next one is the character. So they say that you haven't created any character yet, so I can tap here and upload any of my character. You know, this time around you can. It's Ideogram. You can be able to face swap. All right, so you can upload your character and face swap them. Okay, so Ideogram have really improved a lot. So now this is not what we are here to do yet. So let's go back to generate. All right, so the next thing to do now is to select the aspect ratio we want. So you can select 9:16, 1:1, and 16:9. So we are working with 16:9. Just tap on 16:9. So this is going to be in public. Other people can see your work and access it. You cannot use the private because it is the paid version. So this is the color palette. You can choose any of them. But now this is not what you're here to do. So the seed number is not working because you're using the free one. So let's hit generate. And it won't take much time. You know, this site gives you access to 4 images. And you choose the one you want as a go. All right. So Ideogram have really improved. They have really improved. So this is the image that it generated for me. So can you see how beautiful, how stunning it is? Can you see that? Can you see that? This is beautiful. And I really love the quality of the image. So just tap on it and download. You tap on it and you download. Okay. So just tap on this one. You download image. You tap on this one. You download. That is how you save your work. All right. That is it for Ideogram. You can as well check out other people's work. If you love something like that, you can input your prompt and recreate yours. Can you see the beautiful things that people created? You can create yours as well. Can you see how beautiful it is? The quality of the image is top notch. I love it. I love it. All right. Now, the third tool we are going to explore is called GenTube AI. GenTube AI. So let's go to our browser and type GenTube AI. GenTube AI. So let's select here GenTube AI. Alright. So before using it, you have to sign up with your email account. So as you can see, these are the beautiful things people created using GenTube AI. Can you see both realistic, both anime, both pizza style, and a lot of things? Can you see the images look so stunning? It looks so beautiful. It's amazing. I love it. It's amazing. These are what people created using this GenTube. So let's try out ours. Okay. So this is where we are going to type in our do select create, and this is where we'll paste our prompt. So we'll paste our prompt here. All right. So when you paste in your prompt, it won't even take much time to generate this for you. So before using this, you have to select this setting sign and change your aspect ratio. Okay. So now it is changing it for me. It doesn't even waste much time. So this is it. This is it. Okay. So they're asking me to try any styles. Okay. This is previous Tamak style. In this GenTube, this is cyber. Have you seen it searching? This is cyberpunk. Okay. This is beautiful. So you can choose realism as well here. And they are all for free. They are all for free. Okay. They are all for free. So this is the image I generated. Okay. So after this, all you have to do is to tap on it and download your image. Tap on it and you download. Alright, so try new things. These are the things I created now. So try new things with this GenTube. GenTube is a beautiful site where you can generate a lot of images of your choice. Okay, so let us go back again. Before we dive in, hit the like button so more people can discover these free tools, and subscribe if you want more AI tips, tricks. Stay glued and try out another. All right, so let's go to our browser and try out another site. Let's try out this powerful AI sites where you generate a lot of things. So we're going to type image FS. This tool is beautiful. You can generate a lot of things here. Okay, so this is image FS. So you can generate a lot of things. So you have to sign up before using it. have to sign up before using it. So I use my Google account to sign up. All right. So I am in. So before using this image effects, you have to turn on your VPN. So I'll be using my VPN Super Unlimited Proxy to access this beautiful site. Okay, so I'm on it now. It's on. So you click here. You select London. So I've selected London. It will turn on by itself. It is very, very friendly to use. Can you see it is on? So let's go back to image FS. All right, so said image FS isn't available in your country. Okay, so can you see that we have accessed it? They said it's not available, but with the VPN that I just turned on now, we can use it. So this is where you paste your prompt. This is where you paste your prompt. So let's paste our prompt here, as you can see. So this is the settings. This is where you, if you want your character to be consistent, you can lock it up here. You can lock your seed here. All right. So this display that is written aspect ratio square. If you tap on it, you can choose landscape here. Okay, you can choose landscape. All right. So that is it. So we've gone back here. We'll select here this icon, and our image is generating. It won't take much time. You see your image. Okay. So this is what is generated for me. This is what is generated for me. So after this, all you have to do is to select this icon and download. You select the icon and you download it. It generates up to 4 images at once. Then you choose the one that you want. So this is the first one it generated for me. This is the second one it generated. This is the third one it generated. Can you see the characters? They are consistent. Can you see that it is consistent? Okay. All right. You choose the one you want and you just select it and download it. You choose this one, select it and you download it. That is all. You can use it to generate consistent characters. Either you are creating folktales or key story. This is a beautiful site I would recommend you try and use. Remember to follow the procedures I did. Just go to Play Store and download Super Unlimited Proxy VPN. Go there and download it and just follow the procedures I used. Okay. Fifth site we are going to use is called Whisk. So let's go to our browser and type Whisk. Okay, Whisker AI and select search. So select search and actually is Google Labs. Just type Google Labs. Select sign in and sign up with it. Use your Google account. I always recommend Google account. So it will still bring you to this interface. All you have to do is to select try Whisk. Try Whisk. It will take you to Whisk. All right. So select. So these are the amazing things people created. These are the amazing things a lot of people created. So can you see that? So let's select enter to. When you select enter to, you can actually bring in your image here and this icon. This is where you can upload your image, already existing image. But now this is not what we're here to do. We're here to check out and explore this tool. So after pasting your prompt, just scroll like this. This icon is where you change your aspect ratio. If you don't want this one is by 1, 9 is by 9, 16 is by 9, 3 is by 4, 4 is by 3. Just choose the one you want. It's already placed on 16 by 9. All right, it's already placed there. So just scroll like this and select generate. Okay, so this is it. This is the image it's generated for me. Okay. So this is the image. This is the prompt I dropped. This is okay. Generated 2 images. So you can as well select this. Generate more for you. If you don't like the one it generated for you, then as well select generate. So now before you have to do, if you want to save it now, you just to tap on it. Just tap on it and you download it. Tap on it and you download your image. Just tap on it. So choose the one you want to tap on it. Now the 6th image you're going to explore is called Lumen. All right, so let's go to our browser and type Lumen. All right, so how is it? Just select it. Lumen is a beautiful tool that you can use to generate countless images. Just select scroll up. you have to sign up. You select Google and you sign up with any of your Google account. So now we have finally signed up. So they said that today is their birthday, so they gave them free 10 credit. All right, so these are most of the things people created, amazing things people created. This is amazing. This is wonderful. Can you see that? Can you see that? All right, so these are the things people created. So this is not what we're here to do. We're here to create ours. So let's go to create. So we get to create, we're pasting our prompts. So this is my prompt. I pasted my prompt. So here is where we choose our aspect ratio. So let's change it to 16:9. Then these are the number of output styles, the number of images that will be generated. 2 images at once. Remember, other ones cannot be up to 4 because it's free. So after this, you select here and generate. So let's wait and see our image. Remember, you can create all these sites I've been introducing. You can create both realistic, both pizza and thereabout, but I prefer using pizza. Okay, so our image is here. So let's check it out. You select these 3 dots and download your image. You select this one, you download it. If you don't like the one that it gives to you, you can actually regenerate. Remember that you can also upscale your images here. This is an option where you upscale it. So you can also remove background here. All right, so it has a lot of features. So let's go to our gallery. That is how to use Lumen to generate your images. Then if you want to still generate, if you want to change the aspect, if you want to change your aspect ratio, you still change it and generate the one for this. So let's change our aspect ratio and still generate this image. Okay, it's already generating. So this is it. If you tap on it, it will show you. So this is, can you see that? This is 9:16. Can you see how beautiful the image is? Okay, so that is it. Now let's go back. The 7th tool we are going to explore is called Google Digen AI. Let's go to our browser and type that Google Digen AI. Okay. So it's the same thing as Google DeepMind. So let's try Gemini. So I've pasted the prompt here. So it is generating the image. So can you see how realistic the image looks? This is absolutely beautiful. This is mind-blowing. In fact, I love this. Just tap on it and download. I love this. This looks so realistic. This is beautiful. So we are swapped another prompt. Remember, it should be an image. All right. So this gems is mind blowing, and it looks so stunning. Oh my goodness! Can you see that? Can you see this? It looks so realistic. In fact, I love the quality of this image that is giving me. I love the quality. Just tap on it and you download. Okay, just tap on it. You can go to Canva and change this aspect ratio. Okay. Yeah, this is another one I generated. It's Gemini. This is another one. Can either tap on it and download, or you select this option and still download it. Alright, so this is how to use Gemini. Remember, if you want to generate any of the image, you have to add in the aspect ratio. Like these ones, they are actually in 4:3, 1:1. So you can actually adjust it and generate in 9:16 or generate in 16 by 9. So as you can see, this one, I told it to generate in 16 by 9. Can you see now? It is still the same image now. Can you see how consistent it is? This is mind-blowing. Can you see how consistent it is? Now it has generated it in 16 by 9. You can use this for your kids content. Imagine using a quality image like this for your kids content or your stories, your kids story. This is beautiful. This is amazing. I totally love this, and I commend you try this tool out. It is completely free. It is completely free. The eighth tool we are using is called Digen AI. It's called Digen AI. Digen AI. So if you go to your browser, you type Digen AI. So this is how the interface looks like. This is how it is. Remember, you have to sign up if you haven't used it for the first time. So after signing up, all you have to do is to select create. If you select create, it will bring you to this interface. I've done a series of tutorials on how to use Digen AI. So you just select create. You see an option where it's written create. You will come into this interface. So now, this is actually placed on video. So we have to turn it to image. You are here to generate image. So after that, so the interface will come over to this. All right. So this is, we are going to press our prompt. Just type in, paste your prompt. And this is the aspect ratio. You choose 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So after that, you select the style you want. Okay. So they have different styles. You can choose any of them. So these are the styles. So after that, so okay, I'll choose this one. After that, I'll select generate. Okay. Now this is the image it's generated for me. So it's left for you to choose the one you want. Let me zoom it so I will see it. So this is the first one it generated for me. This is the second one it generated. This is the third. And this is the fourth. Okay, so you choose the one you want. So if in order to download it, all you have to do is to just tap on it. If you tap on the image, you download it. So it's very easy. Just select the one you want, tap on it, and you download it. So that is it for Digen AI image generation. The next tool we are going to explore is ChatGPT. We all know ChatGPT. So we are here in ChatGPT. Let's paste in our prompt and also add in 16 by 9. Okay, after this, you select generate. So let's wait for a while. Now our image is, let's tap on it. Now this is the image it's created for us according to my prompt. Sites, this app is a great app. All you have to do, if you haven't used ChatGPT for the first time, just go to Play Store and download ChatGPT app. Is a wonderful app in which you can do a lot of things. You can use it to create images, you can use it for questioning, you can use it for like a lot of things, for your scenes, for your stories, for your song lyrics and every other thing. So try it out. The 10th tool we're going to explore is called Dina AI. Dina AI. Alright, so let's dive in. Remember to on your VPN before using Dina AI. Alright, I'll turn on your VPN. Just drop Dina AI. So it will bring you to this interface. Now we have options. Now these are the amazing things people created. Can you see how beautiful they are? Now is I'm going to select this AI image. My VPN, actually, you can generate your images without VPN, okay? But if it's for video, you have to turn on your VPN. So I did not turn on my VPN. Sorry about that. So the next thing to do now is to paste your prompt here and choose your aspect ratio. We're going to choose 16 by 9. Where is it? That is it. Alright, so the next thing to do is let's paste in our prompt here. Let's select all and paste our prompt here. Now let's select here and generate. So we generate up to 4 images at a time. The next 4 images at a time. So once it's 100%, our image will be ready. Remember, image quality is top notch. I recommend you use this for your folktale stories, your pizza 3D animation, and every other thing. Alright, so can you see how realistic these images look? Can you see? And it gives consistent character as well. That's one thing I love about it. It gives consistent character. Can you see it's the same boy? Can you see that? So now you've seen it. So all you have to do is just tap on it. All you have to do now is to All you have to do is to select the image you want. You select it and download. Right. If you tap on it, you download it. Okay. Then if you don't want this one, you can still, after downloading, you can just select this place and select another one. Tap on it and download. That's how you do it. It's very, very easy. It's very, very easy. So this Lumen is a wonderful tool. So try it out. Try it out. Which one are you going to try first? Which one are you going to try first? Alright, so that is it. Which one will you try first? Drop your answers in the comments. And don't forget to tell me where you are watching from. I read every single one. Don't forget to like, share this video with a friend who loves creativity, and subscribe so you never miss the next AI power tip. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.